Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be talking about the Scoob. So here the scenario is how to import all the tables from MySQL database to the HDFS file system, or you can also import all the data from MySQL database to the high tables directly. So this is one of the interview question and which has been asked many times, so I just thought to create a video based on this. By using the Scoob entity, we can import or export the data from RDBMS to the high or from high tables to the RDBMS. Vice versa, we can do it. Now let us see about the MySQL. I have connected to the MySQL like this, MySQL-u root, and this is the password for my system. Okay, for the MySQL database. And here you can see there are three databases which is currently the part of MySQL database. I'm using the test database, use test, and there I can see there are three tables: company, employee, and student. Now in our scenario, we are going to import all the tables from test database to the HDFS file system. This is possible with the help of Scoob, but in Scoob there is one parameter, import all tables. This is a command which is handy with me. By using this parameter, we can import all the tables from MySQL database to the HDFS file system. Okay, so Scoob is the entity which will take the argument as import all tables. It will connect to the MySQL database by using the JDBC connection, and this is the port which is currently listening. Test is the database name, and test is having three tables inside the test database. The -- username root, and this is the user ID and the password for MySQL database. We are going to use the number of mapper as 1 only. If you want to use the number of mapper as 2 or 3, you can increase it so that the performance of the Scoob will be increased. But make sure that you have a primary key is available inside the data. If it is not there, then definitely you cannot increase the number of mapper. Even second thing is you can use the split by clause if you want to increase the performance or increase the number of mappers. And this is one of the important factor which we have observed here, warehouse directory. Now it is going to take all the MySQL tables from test database, and it is going to paste it, or I can say put it on the HDFS file system. This is the HDFS location. This directory will be created automatically once the import job will run, and inside the warehouse directory it will create the three directory depending upon the number of tables. So this warehouse directory will take care of everything to create the directory, and inside the directory you can see the data for the particular table. And another thing is we cannot use the target dir in this case along with the Scoob import all tables. So let us try to fire this command, and we are going to import it in the next session. Okay, so Scoob import job, I have fired it, and let us see what is the outcome we are getting it. It has started, and if you observe the log here, you can see select star from company limit 1. So now it has started taking the first table export, and then it will move to the from first to second table. Actually, whenever the Scoob job is running, definitely inside it is running this map job. And depending on the size of tables and the number of mappers, it is going to take some time, and it has started taking the backup or export of second table now, which is employee. The first one is completed. If you want to cross check whether the files has been created or exported, we can check it to the warehouse directory. Okay, the second one employee is also done, and now it has started for student. Internally it is taking the DML operation only. Okay, so this is done, and here you can see the it has retrieved 3 records because each table having 3 records. So let us go to this various directory and see what we can find out here. Hadoop ls. Okay, so here you can see there are 3 directory which has been created. Company directory has been created, and then employee is created, and student. Let me try to go to the first one. Hadoop fs-ls. Okay, so this is the log file, success log file, and the part file. This part file contain your actual data which is available on the top of HDFS now. Hadoop fs-cat, and I'm going to open this file. It has created only one part file because the number of mappers is 1. If it is a 2, then definitely it will create the 2 mappers file. And here you can see if I'm just doing the cat operation, which is useful to open the file, there are 3 records inside the company. Likewise, you can check it for the other table as well. So this is how you can export all the tables from MySQL database to the HDFS file system, or you can also import it to the Hive tables directly by using the Hive tables command. Thank you.